welcome to DIY Everything! Today we're going to be making this super cute folder. It's got pockets on the outside, pockets on the inside, see here and here, and one on the bottom. So, let's make! So for this project, what you'll need is one piece of paper, a rectangular paper. You can use copy paper or printer paper, whatever you like. So I'm using this yellow sheet of paper. So first what you're going to do is you're going to fold it upwards like this. See that? So now you're gonna see this part, the bottom. You're gonna fold that up like that. And then you're gonna unfold it and then fold these corners at the end here like this. And then fold it up. That makes your pocket. See that? Now you're probably thinking if you just fold this like this, then like you just fold this like this, that's your folder. That can also be a way to make a folder, but that's not what we're doing here. So, but we are going to fold it like this. And then you're going to unfold it. And then fold this here like this. So you get this. Like that. Just fold this like this. So you should get this. And then you're going to fold this down. And then to make your guideline there. And then you're going to fold it back on that guideline, but tuck it into these pockets at the bottom. You see that? And then like this. See that? And then that's your pocket on the outside. You've got this pocket on the inside, your pocket on the bottom. So then all you have to do is just fold it in half. And it's done. Thanks for watching. Bye. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe.